Hi, welcome back to Login Helps. Today I'll be guiding you through how you can log in to Pinterest with Google. To learn how, keep watching the video till the end. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as we post a new video. To log into Pinterest with Google, go to your app and tap it open. Once you enter the app, you'll see three options you can log in with. To log in using your Google account, simply tap on Continue with Google. Now, choose your Google account you want to sign in with, or you can even add another account by simply tapping on Add another account. After you do so, you'll be logged into Pinterest from your Google account. I hope the tutorial was useful to you. If you think so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any feedbacks or questions. Thank you for watching.